Hello, my name is Gavin Glynn. I'm currently a PhD student at the Centre for Global Health here at Trinity College in Dublin. The focus of my research is on Rwanda and HIV issues. I will now give a brief introduction to both Rwanda and HIV, as this trajectory is very important to understand the focus of my research. Rwanda is a small, landlocked country south of the equator. At the Berlin Conference of 1884, Rwanda was given to Germany. They were relatively benign compared with later colonizers. Following World War II, at the Treaty of Versailles in 1919, Rwanda was given to Belgium. Belgium became much more involved in Rwanda. Traditional colonial methods of divide and conquer were instituted. The population was divided between Hutu, Tutsi, and Twa. Identity cards were issued, which would become very important during the genocide. In 1981, the first case of what would later become known as HIV/AIDS was recorded. This would quickly become a worldwide epidemic, affecting almost 8 million people just 10 years later. In April of 1994, the Rwandan genocide began. It had been carefully planned, and in just 100 days, 1 million people were killed. These were mainly Tutsis, but also some moderate Hutus. Following the genocide, Rwanda was devastated mentally, physically, and structurally. In 1995, the year after the genocide, Rwanda had the highest rate of HIV in Africa. Other countries have overcome immense difficulties. Germany was a fascist dictatorship, a nation almost destroyed by war, a divided country, and today a prosperous, peaceful world leader. Today, Rwanda has one of the lowest HIV rates in Africa. What are the factors which have helped to bring this about? Is it due to strong governance? A focus on economic development? Zero-tolerance policy towards corruption? The development of a tourism industry? Rwanda aims to be AIDS-free by 2020. As we have seen, the political, economic, and social changes which have occurred in Rwanda, particularly since 1994, have been extraordinary. Through my research, I want to understand how these have impacted on the successful HIV treatment and prevention programs. In addition, I want to see if there are lessons which can be learned for other countries.